So we are at Grace United Methodist Church, and the church is actually part of the Art Loop that we have down here in Delaware, in Wilmington, on the first Fridays. So this is the artist that they have here today. I'm just going to say Carolyn. I'm not going to butcher the name. But this is the artist right here. Believe it or not, this is actually the church that I attend. And one of the things that drew me to this church is the fact that they have a very strong involvement with the arts, this community and different things. So by this church being involved in it and being also part of the Art Loop makes it really nice. There's a lot of different things that happen in this building, not just church, but a lot of community things. There's even a refrigerator out there, a community refrigerator. So this is some of the artist's work, some beautiful stuff. So this will be up for a month. You can always come to the church and check it out. It's in the main lobby area. But these are, great pieces of work. And every month we'll have a different artist here, and there's a different art loop going around. I'm not sure how many different galleries are involved in it, but there's a good amount of galleries, and there's definitely a lot of different artists in this area. We're at the Carvel State Building, going to the second floor. Got a free art gallery reception tonight. Meet the artists from 5 to 7. It's the building we're at. This is the Art Loop. The Art Loop is back for the fall. All right, so since this is a government building, there's a metal detector and everything. It's on the mezzanine level. Geraldo, the king of transit, Gonzalez. Nice local artist here. And there he is, right there. It's actually So the Art Loop is always a lot of fun. It's good to get out, support the local artists. It's free. You can just walk down the street. They'll have bands outside. Different things are going on. See your neighbors and everything. Does your area have an Art Loop? Are you part of an Art Loop? Have you ever gone to one? Let me know in the comments. Do you plan on going to anyone? Is there any ones that I should probably check out? Let me know. Thanks for watching this video, and hit that like button for me and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And until next video, remember, take care of each other, peace out, and I will see you all soon.